Welcome back. In today's class, we'll see how we can make a door frame. Okay, so for that, what I'm gonna do right now is like make a wall condition. So I'll just take a wall which is basically an 8 feet of wall. Okay, so I'll give the markings 8 feet and door thickness, wall thickness I'll give. So when we are making this wall condition, especially we have a door as a scope, we need to understand actually the wall thickness. Why wall thickness is so important is because based on that only you are going to place a frame onto the wall. Okay, so that's the reason behind it. So wall thickness plays a very important role. So if you're working with different types of documentation where you're looking into the architectural scans and different door details and all, so you can get into partition wall sheets where you will find the wall thickness, and using which you can develop your door frame from the door schedule. So all these things are included in the project management or project training sessions. Okay, so that is separate session, but right now just we'll try to understand how we can make a door frame in a simple manner. Okay, so now I'll just try to give a push. So I'll give around like 10 feet height. Okay, the standard door that we have, door opening we have is a width of 3 feet and height is 7 feet, but sometimes depending on the requirements everything changes, and the door type, door hardwares, all those stuff changes. Okay, but let's resist ourselves only to the door frame condition. So now exactly at the center I would like to create an opening of 3 feet 6 inches. Okay, so 3 feet 6 inches, 3 feet is 36, 36 plus 6 is 42. So I would like to give 21 on each side. Okay, now what is the height that I'm gonna prefer is, let me give a 7 feet 3 inches height. Okay, now I got it. Now what I'm trying to do is, see, it is not a group, so let's first of all group it. Okay, let's see, everything is selected. Select everything by using your mouse left click, give 3 clicks at a time and just give right click and select this make group option. Double click the face here to get into the group and create a rectangle, and then try to give a push pull. Okay, so this is the simplest manner. Understand your door opening dimensions, the width and the height, and automatically you can create this exact dimensions of the opening so that we can start with the framing part. Okay, so framing, there are different conditions. Sometimes you just have a piece of wood with some design which is running on the surface. Okay, if it is only to the surface, you can call it as a door trim also. Okay, but if the design pattern is following on to the 3 sides, 1, 2 and this back side, then it is called as a door frame. Okay, so now in a simple manner we'll try to create the door frame. So for that we are going to use a follow me tool. So follow me tool, you have to understand, if you have a path, it can be square shape or curved shape or any shape. Okay, so you need to understand the path and the profile. If the pattern is repeating throughout some path, then you can simply use a follow me tool. So you can also go back to the follow me tool sessions if you want to get more details into it. Okay, now let's try to first of all create the path. So what is my path? This is my path, because this is the direction to which you have to develop your profile. So if I just hide it, see, I have my path. Okay, now I have to create my profile. So I'll give edit, unhide, last. Now whatever the profile is there, now I'm gonna move it. Okay, move it and place it aside so that I don't want to mix up the profile and the path. Now simply I would like to give a 3/4 thickness of the profile. Okay, so always, why do I take 3/4 is because if you go to any manufacturing unit where the sheets of plywood or MDF or particle wood is sold, so they generally have a standard dimensions. So the sheet dimensions will be in between 4 feet by 3/4 inches by 8 feet. So 4 feet width, 3 by 4 inches thick, and 8 feet is the height we generally follow. So that is the reason I always prefer to take 3 by 4. Okay. Now let us give the dimension on the other side as well from this corner. So it is 3 by 4. Now what is the width that I would like to follow? So now let's say I would like to go with 2.75. Okay, so here 2.75, of course on the other side also I'm gonna get the same value. Now let's just think. Okay, let's just think this is one path, so let me create two paths, keep it aside because I would like to create two frames. Okay, so now what is the profile? I'll develop a simple profile. I'll use my rectangle and also again here, then again from this corner to this corner, select this, and okay, so if I have any unwanted line, so this is what I have. Okay, now to this one, so this is my first profile, so I'm gonna actually make this as a component so that I can save it. So door frame profile 1, I'm saving it, create. Now it's a component, but I would like to move it aside. Move, I'll tell you why. Because I have to place the path, I would like to move it exactly at the edge. I'll place it. Okay, because this is a 3-direction path, this is not a rectangle, right? So it is having only 3-direction path, so I would like to place it here, and it should not be a component now. Okay, now simply what you do is select slowly, hold your control key and you select your path, then come back to follow me tool, select this surface. Now you see you got your frame. Okay, so now triple click, right click and make group and cross verify, and just to show you the difference I would like to go to some wood finishes for now. Okay, and you see the finishes is also applied. So this is how your door frame is created, and here you will have the door. So door, how to create all those conditions and the parameters we'll discuss in later sessions. So for now we are limiting ourselves only to this part. Okay, now what am I going to do is just to make this as a copy, put it aside, because I would like to create another type of frame as well, so that just for your understanding. Okay, so I'll just delete this one. Now because I already have my path, okay, I can keep this one here, but I just need a profile, new profile. So what I'm gonna do is again 3 by 4, okay, and here also 3 by 4, this side also 3 by 4, same process. Now what is the frame width? So I would like to give 3 inch now. Okay, so for this 3 inch I would like to create a dimension now. So it will be, okay, now here I would like to have an arc. Right now I'm creating random arc. Okay, so just a random arc. Now I would like to match this, then again from this corner here. Okay, so I would like to have again 2 arcs. So first of all, you can also make a copy if needed, and I'm not mirroring right now, just I'm trying to create a basic profile. Okay, now I have to join everything because we should create that face. If this face is not created, okay, then something has messed up. You have to again recreate because there might be some opening which is allowing you, which is not allowing you to actually create this face. Okay, this face should be visible for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to make another component. So give a name as door frame profile 2. Now simply come back and select, move it and place it. Now explode this. Okay, now what you have is your path. Again same process. Okay, so your path is selected, come back, activated the follow me tool and select your profile. Now you see what happened and make this as a group. Come back to the materials and apply some materials to it. Select, one second, right click, make group, apply. So let me put it side by side so that you guys can see it. So this was a simple rectangular profile which is running throughout the three sides of the opening. Okay, now here you have another one which we have randomly taken some dimensions. Okay, I did not give any specific dimensions, only just I've selected some arc points, that's it. And this is how you got your door frame. Okay, so to get a door frame, always you should know what is the profile design, because this will not change. Three sides will remain the same pattern. So directly you can depend on profile, this follow me tool always. Okay, so this is how you're going to make your door frame. So we'll come up in future with much more videos where you will see different types of door frame conditions as well, and also to this frame how door will be fixed and door designs will be there. We'll also discuss about it. Okay, thank you so much.